take the cover off? Oh, it's heavy. Open it. Groceries! How did Grandpa get this in here? There we go. Ooh.
I gotta find it.
You gotta find it? Okay. Okay, give that one to Daddy. Give that one to Dad. Ooh, is it heavy? Ooh, heavy. Okay, what else is in here? Look in there. Oh, that one's for Mom. Can you pull it out? Oh. Let's see, who's that one? That one's for Bella. Okay, put it down right here. And who's this one for? Can you get that one out?
Yeah.
Get it out of there. Oh, that one's for Daddy. Give that one to Daddy. Put it by Daddy.
Thank you, hon.
Okay, can you sit right here on my lap? And we'll open this. Come here. Right here. Can you sit right here?
Yeah.
Back it up. Okay. It says, Bella, can you touch the heart? Can you touch it? Ooh. Open it. What does it say? Miss Bella, hugs and kisses. And can you blow a kiss?
Yeah.
This is already your second Valentine's Day. We hope you like the little treats we picked out with so much love for a cute little sweetheart. Love, Grandpa and Grandma. Okay. Can you get it? Let's see. Open this way. Mom will have to start it for you. What are these? What are those? Hearts? Yeah. Okay, can you pull it? Maybe go this way. What are those? Oh my goodness. Can you get them? Okay. Oh, it's stuck. Here, pull them out. Here, can you pull them all out? Okay, here's some more. What are those?
Oh.
What is it?
Monkey.
Monkey? What's his name? George. And what else? What are those?
Dog.
Dinosaurs. Is that a movie? Oh, and that's a movie. Are we gonna watch these? Are those bears?
Watch.
We'll watch them later. And you got treats? You got fruit snacks? Yeah.
Open it.
We'll open them later. Can you say thank you to Grandma and Grandpa?
Thank you.
Look up at Daddy and say thank you.
Thank you.
Can you blow a kiss to the camera?
No.
Hey,
To the camera. Look at Dad and blow a kiss.
No.
Say thank you.
Grandma and Grandpa.
Thank you.
Say I love you.
I will.
All right, and can you wave bye-bye to the camera?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. We love you.